Hello, my name is Andre, and I'm a freelance marketing consultant with over 4 years of experience in the field of digital marketing. And in this video, we will discover how to add the Facebook pixel to your website using Google Tag Manager. If you came here just to see how to set up the Facebook pixel, you can skip to this minute. Also, if you want to just see how the implementation is done, you can see the steps at this minute. But if you want to get the most out of this video, I recommend you to watch the full video. You will discover important things about Facebook ecosystem, Facebook pixel anatomy, and why it's important to use Facebook pixel in the first place. For more details about the video, you can see the timetable in the description down below. It will allow you to skip to your favorite part of the video. Before we go into all the details, I want to let you know that you can access the written version of this video at andreiwancea.com. The link is also in the description down below. With that said, let's dive in. Facebook is currently the biggest social media platform out there, with over 2.7 billion users in 2021. Given its sheer size, Facebook following encompasses all walks of life. So if social diversity is what you are looking for, Facebook is the way to go. Facebook also controls other subsidiaries like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and more, increasing the platform reach even more. If you either need wide reach or specific targeting, you should give Facebook ads a try. The Facebook advertising platform offers a wide range of advertising features, placements, ad types, targeting, and capabilities. In the light of its past events, including Cambridge Analytica and others, Facebook lost some of its shine and glory as the leader of all the social media platforms. Although you may not like Facebook actions, you cannot argue with its potential for advertising. Facebook ecosystem reaches far and wide, and it gives you the access to some very powerful targeting criteria not available in other advertising platforms. This video continues the Google Tag Manager series of the videos. In the last one, we've discovered how to implement Google Ads remarketing tag and looked over the benefits of using remarketing ads. Do make sure to check it out to get the better understanding of remarketing videos. The video is linked in the upper right side of the screen, and the full article is linked in the description down below. So, what is Facebook Pixel? Facebook says, the Facebook Pixel is an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. Basically, the pixel is a snippet of JavaScript code which is made of two components. The base code, which initiates the Facebook pixel. This part also contains the pixel ID, which is unique for each pixel. And also the event code, the second part. The event section of the code allows you to track both standard and custom events. We won't go in all the details right now because I do plan to make a separate video on how to track standard and custom events. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to get notified when these videos will be live. By the way, did you know that you don't actually have to go through all the hassle of understanding the technical details and implementing the code yourself? I have made dozens of similar implementation in my career, and I can help you get your tracking up and running. If you are interested in the collaboration, go to my website andreiwancea.com/contact and fill out the form. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, now let's look at why it's important to implement the Facebook pixel on your website. Let's start with Facebook Analytics. If you are familiar with Google Analytics, it will be a breeze to understand Facebook Analytics. It's a robust tool that helps you better understand your audience, where it comes from, and much more. The data collected by the pixel helps you to populate reports with data about pages visited by the users time spent on website and specific web pages, and create funnels based on that data. Facebook Analytics gives you insights about your audience based on Facebook-owned data, the data about its users, like age, gender, geographical data, and more. You might wonder, why would you need this if you are already a Google Analytics user? Well, in a world where data is king, you will need to firstly get all the data you can, analyze it, and make decisions based on it, aka data-driven marketing. The second reason for which implementing the Facebook pixel is a crucial for your business is the creation of remarketing audiences. In my last article about how to install and set up Google Ads remarketing tag, we've looked at what remarketing audiences are and how powerful are they. The link of this article is in the description down below. Long story short, remarketing audiences are hugely important and can be a game changer for your online strategies. If you've ever been targeted with one of the products that you have added into your cart and decided to finally buy it, you already felt the power of these ads on your skin. One of the components of the remarketing ads are the remarketing audiences, and the Facebook offers a robust mechanism for the creation of such audiences. If we are talking about audiences, let's also look at lookalike audiences. Do you know what's better than an audience of existing clients? An audience with people that share similar traits with them. It's not magic. Facebook actually gives you the opportunity to create similar or lookalike audiences based on existing website audiences. The process is automatic, but Facebook gives you the ability to control how similar the audience is from 1%, which means the closest, to 10%, the broadest. I encourage you to go into your Facebook account and play with those. They can be very powerful tools for prospecting new clients and enlarging your upper funnel. The last reason we are going to look at is the creation of custom conversions. Conversions might not entice you that much at start, but they are essential for your digital marketing well-being. You might be tempted or even overwhelmed when seeing the vast amounts of metrics available in each advertising platform. But be warned, not all of them are equally important. I don't need to tell you that business fundamentals are the key to a successful business. Making sure you track those fundamentals in your digital platforms allow you to see how much value the platform delivers to you. Also, you will be able to calculate metrics like cost per conversion, conversion rate, ROAS, and many more. For now, you will have to know that creating custom conversions in Facebook depends on the Facebook pixel being implemented into your website. Do you see how important Facebook pixel is? If any of the reasons above stirred your interest, let's see how to actually set up a Facebook pixel and implement it.
Okay, in order to set up your pixel, you will firstly have to visit business.facebook.com and make sure you are under business settings. Under your options, go to data sources, pixels. Under here, you will see all the available pixels which you have access to. In order to set up a new Facebook pixel, click the add button. This animation will show up. Give your pixel a name. I will name my demo pixel and click continue. Now the pixel has been created. You have two options here. You can continue managing my business or going back to the screen and set up the new pixel right now. I would recommend you to go to this option in order to get your pixel ID. From these three options, I will choose manually add pixel code to my website. Here you will be given multiple steps, but you will have to do only one. Simply click to copy the code. If you've closed the screen accidentally or simply do not longer find the Facebook pixel code, fear not. You can always navigate to Events Manager and find the newly created Facebook pixel. Just select the right Facebook pixel and you will be able to continue the pixel setup. Here you will have the opportunity to select the Facebook pixel, click connect, and now install the code manually. This will give you the option to copy the base code. Do copy the base code and you will be ready to go to the next step of implementing the code into your website using Google Tag Manager. Once in your Google Tag Manager account, make sure to select the proper account. Click on it, and once the account has been loaded, click the tags button. Until now we had pre-configured tag types to choose from. This time we will choose a custom one. In order to continue the setup process, click the new button. Give your tag a name. I will name mine Facebook Pixel Base Code. Under tag configuration, you won't find any default Facebook option. We will choose custom HTML. In this field, simply paste the code you have previously copied from Facebook. And for triggering, choose all pages. Now the tag is set up. Click the Save button. In order to deploy the code into your website, click the Submit button, give your version a name. I will name my Facebook Pixel and click the Publish button. Now the changes will be deployed live on your website and you will have successfully implemented the Facebook Pixel into your website. Congratulations!
So, how was the implementation process for you? Was it simple? Was it hard? Are you excited to leverage the power of the Pixel? Do you think that I have missed anything in this video, or do you have any suggestions for future videos? Leave a comment down below and I will make sure to answer it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to like and share this video with your network. Also, don't miss any of my videos by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. See you in the next one.